This is how to add a token to your MetaMask wallet completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1, go to the top right hand screen underneath your folder and click on import tokens. This is pretty self-explanatory. Simply put, you can search of a token that you would like to add into MetaMask. It should pop up like so. You have a list of different tokens. However, if you don't see the token that you would like to import, simply put, you want to go to custom token. As you can see, anyone can create a token, including fake versions, so use this carefully. Select a network of your choice. Let's say we want to import a base token. Go into CoinMarketCap and locate the token that you would like to import. On the top left hand screen, make sure that you have your token select. Scroll down until you see the contract address. Click here to copy on the clip. Go back to the MetaMask wallet, click on the 3 dots and click on import tokens. Go to custom token on the top hand screen. Select the network again. Paste the address. As you can see, it's going to verify the cryptocurrency token. Click on next. Completely for free in MetaMask.